Yay. So this is my new lighting setup. Yay. Yay. It's whatever. Hey guys, it's Zoe. Welcome back to my channel. I have lights now. Like, this part looks really cute, but like right here it looks kind of bad because of like the wires are green, maybe you can see it. But look, it like flows and I have my little pom-pom lights. So welcome back to my channel. I have another episode of Clearance Cosmetics today. We are going to be reviewing the Too Faced White Chocolate Chip Palette. I got this at Nordstrom Rack for $8.97 when this is originally $26. So I think out of the whole Clearance Cosmetics series, I think this is my best find because like it's Too Faced and it was only $8.97, like $9. That's awesome. It smells so good. Alright, and these are the colors here. So I think what I'm going to be doing for you guys, I'm going to swatch them for you and then I'm going to do an eye look with it. So this very top shade right here is called Glaze. You can barely kind of see it, but it's like a white kind of creamy color. And then the next one to it, this is Ambrosia. It's like a pinky brown. And then the one next to that is Exotica. That one's really pretty. It's like a champagne-y kind of glittery color. Okay, the next one is Guilt Free. Alright, this one right here is Pearl Candy. Oh, this one's a little chunky. It's like a white, shiny color. Alright, and then the one next to that is Raspberry Rose. Like a pink color. Alright, next to that is Indulge. These are a little bit chunky and they have some fallout. Ooh, this one's really pretty. It's like a silvery color. I don't know if you can see that. I'm still trying to get my lighting down so you can actually see what's there. Alright, the next one right here is Guilt Free. Oops, I kind of mixed the black in there. My bad. It's kind of a purpley taupe. Alright, the next one that we have is Cake Batter. Kind of a peachy brown. The one next to that is Cookie Dough. It's like a matte brown, but it has gold shimmers in it. Oh, this one's pretty. It's like a sparkly purple. That one right there. And then the very last one, it looks like a matte black with silver sparkles in it. That one's really pretty. So yeah, all of them seem like, it's really strange. They all seem super pigmented. They're just very light, kind of pastel-y colors. So now I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow look with this palette. Okay, I'm going to be using the NYX Lid Lingerie in Bad to the Bone, and I'm going to be using this to prime my eyelids. And this is just an all-white primer. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to take this color right here, Glaze, and we're just going to put it all over the lid to set that. Look who came in to ruin my tutorial. No, you can come in. No, come here.
What?
Come here. Come here.
What?
Smell it.
Smell it?
What's it smell like?
Is that the white chocolate one?
Mm-hmm.
I remember you telling me about that.
Yeah.
See, listen.
I love you.
You look great.
Thank you. What? I look good?
Of course you do.
I gotta dress up for the...
No, this looks really fun.
This wasn't fun. The first time I wore this sweater, I saw, what was it, a psychiatrist for the first time, and she told me that I did not want to get better.
Is that true?
No, that's not true. But
then forget her.
A trained professional told me that I didn't want to get better, but that's a different story. That can be a, what is that called? Story time video. We could talk about that. So, if you guys didn't know, this is Ryan. He is my husband. He is the clean vocalist for Force Teller. I'll link their YouTube page in the comments.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's me.
Or not the comments, the
Description?
description, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a YouTuber, I know stuff. So, I love you.
Me too. Mwah. I'll be teaching at 1.
1 in the morning?
In,
Okay, I'll be quiet.
well, that's at 1, so good time.
Okay. Well, you can't really hear me in here.
No.
No.
I'm just saying, if you go out there, just be careful.
Oh wait, can I watch Netflix? I probably can't.
Not at 1. From 1 to 1:30, no.
Really? It's only till 1:30? Yeah, I'm gonna watch Riverdale. Right, so we used that color, and now I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here. What is that? Ambrosia, and I'm gonna be putting that in my crease. I'm gonna be taking Guilt Free, and I'm gonna be putting that in my crease as well. I think I'm going to be going in with this color right here, which is Cake Batter. I'm going to be putting that all over my lid. Alright, and now on the outer part of my eye, I'm going to be taking this color right here, Sugared Raisin, and I'm going to be putting it on like this, like the middle and outer portion of my eye. Ooh, yeah, the glitter is super chunky and it's falling out. It's not showing on camera, it just looks like my eyes are like a brownish tan, but it's a pretty palette, but it's just not really showing on camera. Okay, and I'm gonna be taking this white shade right here called Pearl Candy, and I'm going to be putting it on the inner corner. This is getting kind of powdery. To be honest, so far I'm not really impressed. Like, it looks better in person, but it just looks so bad on camera. I'm going to try and salvage this, and I'm going to go in with black sugar, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner of my eye and kind of smoke it out. See if it'll even stay. I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be blending that out. And I'm going to be taking more of black sugar, and I'm just going to be taking it down on my lower lash line. I'm trying really hard to make this work, so I think I'm going to put concealer on the middle of my eye, and I can put that Sugared Raisin in the middle of it so it'll actually show up. So I'm going to be taking the Lid Lingerie by NYX again, and we're going to be cutting the middle of my eye. Okay, now that I put that concealer on, I'm going to be going back in with Sugared Raisin. Is that what it's called? Yes, Sugared Raisin. I'm going to be putting that in the middle of my lid. It's not really sticking, so I don't know, maybe it's not the eyeshadow palette. Maybe I just suck at makeup. Right, so as you can see, there's a lot of fallout on my cheek, so I'm just going to be cleaning that up with a makeup wipe. I guess I'm going to try and salvage this look. I'm going to be going in with the Lottie London. There we go, I said it right. The Lottie London eyeliner stamp. And I'm going to be lining my eyes. Alright, my eyes are lined. It doesn't really fix much of it. I'm going to be going in with my black eyeliner by Maybelline, and I'm just going to be doing my waterline. I'm going to be putting on lashes to try and salvage this look, because everything looks better with lashes, and my eyeliner is running. So this tutorial is going great. Okay, so this is me with lashes on and mascara. So yeah, this is the finished eye look. I'm not too impressed by it. Maybe it's the way I applied it, but the shadows in the swatches, like on my wrist, they looked fine when you try and put it on your eyelid. It's like all of them look the same and they're super chalky and chunky and they just fall over your face. So yeah, my review on this, I would say pass on it, even though at Nordstrom Rack it's only $8.97. All the shades look the same, and I mean, the only thing that really made this look different was that black color. And then, yeah, like that sugared raisin shade, it doesn't look purple. It just looks like a frosty white with really chunky glitter in it. Kind of like the same as, yeah, this white and then this purple, they're like the same color on your lid. But on the swatch, they look different. So, I don't know, that's weird. So far, I'm going to give this a pass. I may come back to this palette and try it again. But, yeah, for what I've tried, I'm not too impressed by it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you subscribed and hit that notification bell so you can get more videos from me. Thank you so much and have a good one, guys. Bye.